Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. So we have Solana here. Uh, okay, so Solana's starting to look very good. Remember, like I said, if we did get this back test on that 21, resumption off, break that 50, I think we're going up to here at 115. That's my take now. I mean, we're going up to the bullish control zone. We are on the daily, by the way. So honestly, I mean, if this keeps going and we get in the bullish control zone as we get up to here, I think we break this as well. After a minor rejection, maybe even a big rejection, we could come all the way back down to basically where we are now. After coming up to this level at about 115, get in that bullish control zone, get high up in it, come back down, test the bottom of the bullish control zone. That could be a situation. Volatility's turning up as the price action's turning up. MACD coming up to the zero line and pretty good, kind of fresh cross as we got that last pump and breakage of that diagonal trend line of the channel, of the descending channel. Positive momentum is increasing. We continue rising above as long as we close above $88, which is pretty far away. I mean, you know what I mean? That's like a little over a 10% move that we are above in order to keep rising above and get across that zero line. So I wanted to look at the daily today, just kind of zoom out a little bit. You know what I mean? Now, we still are not past this high. We need to get past this high on a closure. So we got 10 hours left. We got today to try to get past this. I mean, it could be tomorrow, but we just don't want to get a reversal from right here, because if we get a reversal from right here, I think we're coming all the way back down, making another low. But that's in the past right now. So let's see here. Let's zoom in down to the 4-hour. So here on the 4-hour, looking good. All our moving averages have positive slopes. We are fanning out. We just did get the golden cross basically at the beginning of this pump of the 50 and the 200, which is the only golden cross, by the way. A lot of people think that any bullish cross is a golden cross. The only golden cross is the 50 and the 100, or the 200. The 50 and the 200 moving averages. We are in the bullish control zone, far above the signal line. If we can get that signal line up in the bullish control zone, that's going to look even better. Looks like we are getting some sort of parabolic. It's not huge parabolic, but when I say parabolic, it's that curved bottom. So I think we keep going. Honestly, I think we get up to 115. So volatility is high. MACD, we are at a positive slope, and the MACD line is above the signal line. Positive momentum is increasing. Let's go down to the 1-hour. Okay, so on the 1-hour, we did get a pullback. Looks like we did not come back down to the moving average. Got front ran quite a bit. So if we can get back above this last high, I think we start making our way up to 115. Validation of the downside would be all the way back down here. Basically, where the 100 would end up by the time we would get back down here. So validation of the downside would be at 92.50. Validation of the upside would be at basically, I mean, where we are now. I mean, we got 5 minutes. My guess is that if we close here, this next candle would push us above this last high. We are in the bullish control zone. Did get a bounce off the signal line. Volatility's high. MACD is high. I mean, we're pretty much, we're going up. In my opinion, not financial advice. I think we're going up to 115. So those are my thoughts. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.